So mates, today we're gonna work on this HTC One M8. It is bricked right now. It's showing all sorts of error messages and stuff. It is unlocked and I flashed a different image on it. However, I bricked it. So what I'll do now is I will restore it. So how do I do this and what do I use? Well, first of all, it's unlocked. You need to unlock and install the custom bootloader to flash your stuff on here. And we will boot right back into this right now. So we're gonna shut it down, if we can get it to. What is it doing now? Alright, now it's restarting. So let's hold down power and volume down. I will use the same ROM for it again. It worked pretty well until I destroyed it. We gotta go into recovery. You can see it's unlocked there. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the SIM lock removed. It's got a SIM lock, which sucks, but you know, it's how it is. So next thing is we're gonna go wipe everything, format the data. That should format everything on it. Just move you a little closer. Good. Let's go back. Let's wipe all this stuff. I didn't check the last two because you can't wipe those. Those are non-existent. So now it's wiped. And what we can do now is we can connect the USB cable and connect it to the PC. So we'll do that. And now we're gonna go to advanced Adb site load. Just gonna wipe that, even though we just did it just to be safe. I'm gonna swipe to start the site load. And what we'll do now is we will go into the minimal Adb and Fastboot. So that is like the utility that you have to use to flash the image on the device. And I'm just gonna check real quick if I really have it saved in the folder. The CyanogenMod version 14.1. That's the one I got to work. Unfortunately, there is a build out there for the Lineage OS with Android Pie. However, I just could not get it installed. Shows errors, so I will use this, which ran pretty well, really well actually. So let's just quickly go in here and type Adb devices. So just to make sure it is attached and recognized. Yes, that is the phone. Just close that iTunes here. Oh no, it's even worse. Damn it. Let's put it back. It's easier for you to read. And now, all we have to do is type Adb site load and the image or the zip file you downloaded. Make sure you download the right one. In my case, it's for the HTC One M8 single SIM models. There are also dual SIMs. So let's do that. What? It failed? Well, that's weird. Maybe I just did talk to you too long. Let's see what it did here. Let's do that again. Site load. Swipe to do the site load. Failed to write data protocol. Well, that's weird. So how I'm gonna fix this? Well, I'm not sure actually, guys. Let's just reboot that again. I seriously have no idea what I did wrong, but I now did it multiple times and honestly don't know what caused this issue. Let's go back here, recovery. Really weird. But I could swear it worked this way. So let's do a wipe again. I mean, I think there's everything wiped. There's nothing more to wipe on here. Back. Let's do that again. Advanced Adb site load. Start that. Starting. Everything is started. Let's see what we can do now. Now restart that program also. It's here. And now it works. Okay. Didn't expect that, honestly, but a reboot usually is always a good idea if something seems weird to you. So right now it is copying the image 26, 27, 28, as you can see there. And in the meantime, I will go get myself the G apps so we can actually use this as a Android device, because right now there's only Android without all the Google apps, and we want the Google apps because we don't want this to be a Huawei phone. I think I already have them deleted. Unfortunately, yeah. Let's just go in my server. I think we'll have it there. Well, that's not a big problem. You have this cool website here which you can download the G apps from. In the meantime, before I do this, I will reboot the device because it's done 100%. So let's swipe to unlock and reboot the system. It's probably gonna ask me about the super user stuff now. Or not. I don't know. Alright, it's rebooting. So now we should be greeted with the, well, boot screen again, and then hopefully a setup screen. This HTC is not 64-bit yet, so we'll go with the ARM 32-bit, and this is the 7.1 Android version. We'll just go with stock, or should we go with super or aroma? Well, you know what? I'm just gonna go full out super to have everything on here. Holy crap, 873 megabytes. That's quite a lot. So if that download speed doesn't get better, gonna find that anywhere else because this is terrible. Okay, we are greeted here with the setup screen, which is very good. Go with German. It's not connect to a Wi-Fi yet. Yep, we also don't have a SIM card. We're not gonna do a... Alright, this is important. Time is correct. Start. Yeah, there we go. It's got like this list view thing, which is kind of weird, but that went away the last time I installed the G apps. Now, I now actually decided to go for a different download. I went with the stock because the other one would just not go right now. Oh, now it's tanking again, but under 400. What's going on with this download server? Oh, come on now! It's only 600 megabytes. You can do that. So just to make sure that I'm not downloading the wrong thing, I'm just gonna go in here and check. Yes, it's a Android 7.1.1 device now. Way better than Android 5. Just gonna tap the build number a bit to get the developer access, so we can make it connect to the PC and allow file sharing. So let's activate the root, because why not? So easy in this Android debugging, let's also check that. USB debugging, yes, always do that from my PC. No, don't stop it. Just looking for this one setting. Oh yeah, there we go. Media transfer protocol. Well, that's okay actually. You can change it to pictures, so then it will appear as a camcorder, or you can only charge, or well, a lot of stuff also. But we're just gonna do the MTP. And now we should have it successful. So have it successful showing up on the monitor. So let's go in the Windows and M8 mate, and I am not allowed to do anything. Okay, well, maybe try reconnecting it, maybe that helps. This USB cable is so strong, hooks. Okay, nothing yet. USB debugging. Oh yeah, this is what I've been looking for. Exchange files. Yeah. And now we can do all the cool stuff. So we now have here access to the internal memory. And that's the last piece of the puzzle, because then we can copy the G apps over here and install it again from the recovery. That's how you need to do the installation. Just gonna copy some music over here for testing purposes. See what I got. Alright, let's copy that. We got all the access privileges, so no permission stuff got fucked up, which also happens sometimes. Good. Very good. The G apps have downloaded. So now let's copy that quickly over to the phone. I hope I put it in the camera. Alright. Let's copy that just to the root directory here. And then we can finally have the Play Store and all the Google stuff, which you want obviously on an Android device. Now let's reboot that one last time and get all the apps installed. Did I say this has strong hooks? Let's turn it off. I also need to get this circle fixed to show it percentage, because nobody really knows how much battery you have left with this stupid circle that has the stock Android. Let's go in recovery. Not the first time today. Well, this is still a decent phone. It's got 2 gigs of RAM and I think a quad-core processor, so it's worth kind of updating it a little bit. Now let's do install and just check the OpenG apps here. Let's do that. And it will install. And you don't have to do anything anymore other than click OK and reboot. So we'll see you when this is done. Okay, we have completed the installation. So now let's push on Reboot the System. And it should have all the Google apps, and it probably has the new order on how they're displayed, but we will see. Let's just wait for the reboot and how everything works. Hopefully no crash again. Oh yeah, it changed now. And now we have this Nexus-like arrangement, which also looks good. And whoa, what was that? Huh? Okay. is that, guys? I don't know. But as you can see, this thing is still pretty fluent, pretty smooth, no lag. Running 7.1.1 as I said, so quite an update from the one HTC offers from the stock ROM. And now it's back to functional. All I need to do is go in here and change that from circle to text. You can see there. And or wait a minute, just do symbol, and then we're gonna, yes, this is what I wanted. I mean, why does it not come like this stock? I don't know. Who wants that circle? It's useless. So this is it. It is a fully restored HTC. I'm still waiting for the screen that's gonna arrive at the end of October, so probably next to maybe even 2 weeks, but probably next week, and then I can finally bring this back to a good condition. As I said, it's got a SIM lock, so I still gotta work on that. Maybe I can get that unlocked from the carrier, but I think there you have to pay so much, so maybe like you can get an activation code, but this exact carrier is never displayed on the website, so I'm a little worried. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got no internet. Forgot about that. I don't always want to connect stuff to my Wi-Fi, because then I have so many devices, like just devices like this, which I never use personally. So I always keep that off. Let's go to camera. That's what I want to know. Does the camera work? It works. The other camera, does it also work? Yes, it works. Good. Let's play that music thing. Where is music? There is music. Yes, you're allowed. Oh, it's got everywhere the AC/DC logo. Weird. Little glitch there. Does everything but not play him. Okay, but I hear the speaker working, but what is this? This is a little weird. Why does it not want to play it? Like, the app is fully working. Here. Alright, the cache did it. Great. Volume control works. Bluetooth seems to work. Everything good. Flashlight works. And yeah, this is it. Restored back to working condition, and now we'll leave it alone and not do some experimenting with it anymore, because I know this works. It works pretty smooth and pretty good, so I will keep that ROM on here. And with that, I say thanks for watching and see you later.